Why? Oh. Mm. Hello, my name is Victoria Ubong, and I happen to be one of those that were selected for the Awgu weekend getaway. And believe me when I tell you, it was mind blowing. Like, Mako is such a beautiful place. I'm sure you would have seen videos and pictures, and damn, like it made me open my eyes to a lot of beautiful things, aside from people. But I mean, places. I got to climb a hill, something I've never done, and I was fearful. Yeah, admittedly, but it was it was fun. And we went to some place that is like a jungle and leading to a waterfall, and I felt like an Amazon. I was freaking happy, like very. You can tell from the excitement from my voice. And no, in summary, I love the place. I wish I could stay though, but nah, I have to go. But it was fun. It was interesting. But one thing that how will I put it? One thing that I was expecting like a lot of people. Okay, no, we were supposed to be six. Was just two persons, but no, the two people that were with me were like they had the energy of 10 people. Like one of them is coming right now. Maz is no, but like if you're not here, like you missed a whole lot. A very oh my god, just check it out. This guy, his energy was contagious. Like it was like, no, you have to do it. You have to do it. So Imaku was beautiful, and all thanks to our tour guide. Like it was the best. Like it was encouraging. Like you can do it. And me, at some point I was like telling myself, "You can do it. You're strong. You're this." I was even crying
After
inside.
crying, after you're crying. Anyway, my name is
Okay.
Mr. Chiku Ebuka.
Mm.
Oyesu Obelasi
One name, okay.
Nakawa. Oh boy, the tourism experience is a mad one. I'm telling you, it's a mind blow. Now you say mind blow. Yeah,
Yes.
a mind blow. So anyway, it's okay. It's okay. But if you haven't, maybe you are not planning to come, you are missing a rich. Do you understand? Because having seen a beautiful place, beautiful topography, beautiful places you have never been before. You only see on social media, maybe foreign African. Oh my God, we get it in our own town. You understand?
Yeah.
We from Makunu to Ogunta, from
Mm-hmm.
Ogunta to Obagu, from Obagu to General and the well-known Ugo,
Tell
which is
them.
my own town.
Word.
I think you saw that place where you see river, even the fountain, everything. I'm telling you, haven't you been there? It's very good. Anyway, but I have a new more. Anytime you are coming, apply caution. Make sure you wear your sneaker. Make sure you know wear short.
Yes.
Ovuvu. There is something they call ovuvu. I'm not going to talk about it. Ovuvu. We enter bush. Where ovuvu where bam. See they pain me now because I wear knicker. But you need to wear trousers, wear your sneakers so that you
Yes.
could
Get up.
be free
Like.
to move. And the next time if they come, carry small spirit so that you go to ginger the swagger. Yeah, that's how those things they make you moon. They strong for the
Oh,
journey.
lest I forget. We saw monkeys. We saw monkeys. Like, but they were not in close view. So, but we just saw them from afar. And yeah,
Anyway, it's a nice experience.
beautiful.
OU Travel and Tour has been doing great.
True.
If you are not in the team, if you are not in the group, just try to join us. Next, we have so many outings. We have almost 1,210 locations unvisited. Do you understand? Connect and queue in. Ahead.
Okay.
We move. Ahead.
We move.
Ahead.
We move.
So join us next
Bye.
next
Peace out.
tourism, next adventure,
Yeah.
and see
Peace out, curses. Plenty curses.
the person handling this camera is our bushman. In fact, if you see snake, instead of you to run, you go do video. I don't talk my own.